Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily make a domain for free and you can also host your website for free. So here is a website named Infinity Free. This website gives you free domain and hosting. If you don't have an account, you can easily make account from here. From here, create a new account and you can choose here your domain extension. I will go with rf.gd. You can easily pick any name you want and search domain. Now complete the captcha and you are ready to go. Now from here go to open control panel, click I approve. Now you can easily upload your file from MySQL database. After creating database, go to home, go to manage. Now you can find your file manager and here go to htdocs and delete these dummy files. Now upload your HTML or any other website files.